Welcome to Padu Motivations. Today, I'm going to show you some good hidden features, also some tips and tricks that I use in my Tesla Model 3 every single day. I think it's going to enhance your driving experience. Some of them you may know about, but I promise you, a lot of them you're not going to know. So stick around to the end and get ready for the video. I'm going to show you a really quick way to navigate to your home or work. If you have your home or work already set as a favorite in your Tesla, all you got to do to navigate to it is check this out. Swipe down. And right now it has going to work. It has me going to work. If I was home and I did that, it'll have me going home. I'm just going to end the trip, and that's how it is. That saves a lot of time. So there we have it. Okay, this function I use all the time. So you're driving, you're in the car, and you want to run into the store real quick, and you have your temperature exactly how you like it, but you're just going to go into the store and come out real quick. And so instead of setting your temperatures all over again, here's what you're going to do. All you want to do is hit keep. And once you hit that, climate will stay on after you leave the car and will turn off when battery reaches 20%. So especially in a hot climate like Phoenix in Arizona here, this could be a game changer right here. And it could stay warm if you're in a real cold climate. So there you have it. Okay, those of you who live in cold climates, or if you just want to unlatch the door, if your door was frozen for some strange reason, here's a way to open up the door remotely right from your handy dandy app. And it's really easy. All you're going to do is go to your app, and you just want to hold one of your quick control buttons down like that, and then do unlatch the door, and watch, the door is going to open. Bam. So the door opens, and you can just hop right in if it's frozen, stuck, whatever. So that could be a great feature. I think that can help you. There you have it. This is another great feature that I love, and it's climate control. So say you're in a movie theater, and you're in a movie theater for a couple hours, and it's 90, 100 degrees outside. You don't want to jump into a car and it's roasting. No. What you want to do is just go to your handy dandy app, and you can set the temperature for whatever you want. So by the time you get out the movie theater, dinner, whatever, you jump in the car and it's nice and cool. Or if you're in a really cold climate, you jump in the car and it's nice and toasty and warm. Here's how you do it. All you do is just going to go to the app right here, and you're just going to click on climate, and then you just put it on, and then you set it to the desired temperature. And right now it's going to get to, once it hits to 67 degrees, which I have it set for, it will shut off, and it'll keep that nice flow of cool air until you turn it off. So that is a game changer. I use that all the time. So there you have it again, another cool feature. Another feature is called the boombox feature. And if you're camping, or if you're just hanging out outside your car and want to listen to music instead of you having a boombox out there or whatever, everyone can enjoy the music via the boombox, the speakers right in Tesla. So what you want to do is you want to go to the toy box. If your toy box is not here, you want to click on these three little dots, and the toy box would be right here. So you're going to go to the toy box, and then you're going to go to the boom box. Okay, and once you do the boom box, you just hit megaphone. Okay, and once you do that, I'm going to show you how it works.
Okay, so this is the boombox feature. For copyright purposes, I can't play any music, but you can see how this would work. Or this could be a deterrent for somebody messing with your car. Move away from the car now. So that's a pretty cool feature. There you have it.
Okay. Also, if you wanted to play your own music right through your music library, all you do is just hit play current media, and then that would give you all the music right outside your vehicle as well. So there you have it again. Okay, another little small feature is the visor extension. A lot of people don't know about this, so normally you just open it up, open it down. So this is a way to extend it. You just go, oh, and that provides you with just a little more shade. That's all for either way, and you can do that for either of the sun visors. So there you got it. Okay, a lot of people don't know about this hidden feature in the Model 3 or the Model Y. It's a hidden backseat headrest. And all you want to do is to use it. All you want to do is just push it up like that. And now you got your headrest, okay? And of course, to bring it down, there's a little button to the side here. All you do is press it. Bam, that's it. So there you have it. Just adds a little more comfort for the person in this middle seat. Well, there you have it again. Another really cool feature is the scroll wheel function. I call it shortcut. So what you want to do is just want to hold your left scroll wheel down for a couple of seconds, hold it down, and here's all of my shortcuts. So I can go I can go to the menu, and in my shortcuts, I can control my wiper speed, my brightness, my fan speed, my temperature. Also, you can do it for the open glove box. You can make that as one of your favorites. So, for instance, if I was using that, I would just select that. Now the glove box opens, and then now that's my shortcut. So now, if I want to open the glove box really quick, instead of tapping 2 times on the screen, this is all I'm going to do. Bam, there you have it. That's a really cool feature. And as I said, you can use that for other functions. So check it out. It's just by using this, holding down the left scroll wheel down just for a couple of seconds. So there you have it. Okay, as you know, Tesla has blind spot cameras on the left and the left and the right. So there's a way you can actually change the location. So say if I'm making a left-hand turn, my blind spot is coming on right here, the photograph or the camera. Say if I just want to move it here. So now every time I make a left-hand turn signal or a right-hand turn signal, it'll be here. So you can move it wherever you want. So that's actually a really cool feature. Okay, with Tesla's new update, you can actually change lanes and not have to adjust the drive stop. So, for instance, I'm gonna go into the left lane now. And I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go into the lane, and guess what? It's just gonna stop. I don't have to go and push it back up again, that's really a time saver. I'm gonna go in the left lane again, and it automatically shuts off, which is cool. I'm sure everyone has seen people leaving their blinkers on for a long time. Well, this eliminates that. So that's a great feature right there. And of course, voice command features. I'm telling you, that's a game changer. So let's say if I have my home set as a favorite or anything, home or work, I can just press and hold this voice command button for just a couple of seconds, and it take me home. Sorry, here we go. Take me home. And then it's going to navigate me home. So that's pretty cool there. Well, there you have it. That saves time, energy, everything. I love it. Now, this is a really cool function right here. This can maybe save you from getting a ticket if you're going too fast. But anyway, say I have my speed set for 74 miles an hour, and I see a cop or something over there, or an obstruction, anything. If I want to get right to the speed limit really quick, all I got to do is hit this. And it's going to go right down. It's going to take me right down to the speed limit right away, which is really cool. So that's a cool function. And let's say let me just show it to you one more time. I'm doing 77 doing 75 right now. I'm going to cut it down real quick, hit it, and it's going to get right down to your 65 miles an hour. Well, there you have it. That's a great feature. Okay, hope I showed you some things about your Tesla Model 3 that you might not have known about. Please like and subscribe. I have also another thing that I think is going to help you out a lot as well. Now, sometimes, just like any computer, the Tesla screen may freeze at some point. It doesn't happen very often, but it's going to happen just like any other computer. So here's how you do. We're going to do a quick, soft reboot. And here's how you do it. All you want to do is just take your two scroll wheels right here, hold it down at the same time, and you just wait a couple of seconds. Your screen is actually going to shut off, and in a minute it's going to pop on. Whenever you see the Tesla logo popping up, that means you know that it has rebooted. So this is going to reboot, and in a minute it's actually going to show it. Hopefully you've learned a lot.